psychology, I think the most important, and I think this is something that everyone should know and actually keep them with themselves, is you create your own reality. Okay.
Yeah.
So something that happens around you is not in your control and you cannot change it. The only thing that you can change it is it changes your own mindset.
पर प्राची सामने वाला कर रहा है ऐसा कुछ जिससे गुस्सा आना ही चाहिए तो फिर क्या करेंगे यार? मतलब कर रहा है वो।
लाइक ट्रैफिक में जैसे लाइक टू व्हीलर्स आते ही हैं, तो इवेंचुअली तो कुछ तो
अभी ये नहीं हो सकता है कि something is wrong with me, something is wrong with that guy यार।
Something is wrong with them and nothing is wrong with you. You accept that I'm getting angry in this situation.
I wanted to ask you about dreaming in a certain way or whatever affects your mental health, or like does it have any correlation with it?
It has a major correlation. Dreams are considered a symbol of the subconscious. So sometimes dreams can be very irrelevant and just out of nowhere, but most dreams are meaningful.
Hello, and welcome back to the Everything You Should Know podcast. And we have our part 2 with the mental health counselor Prachi Bhatia for you today. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Coming back to the COVID thing, a lot of people, a lot of people, they don't realize that they have something wrong is because they are always busy with their work, or they are always like घर से दूर रहना ये वो. COVID के time पे सब एक घर के नीचे आ गए, एक छत के नीचे आ गए, and then they realized कि dude, बहुत से issues हैं, बहुत सी problems हैं. Dad, like fathers को समझ में आ रहा है कि मुझे भी कुछ problem है, बच्चे को समझ में आ रहा है, mom को समझ में आ रहा है. तो COVID के बाद क्या बहुत ज़्यादा देखा कि मतलब लोगों के issues बहुत बढ़ गए, because now they don't have anything जिसकी वजह से See, alcohol, drugs सिर्फ ये दो तीन चीजें नहीं है जो कि आपको इन सारी चीजों से सोचने से रोकते हैं. It's also your work. Some people don't realize that they are workaholic because they are running away from something.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So like COVID के बाद like क्या था ये
It
wave?
sounds very personal by the way.
अरे नहीं यार, it's not very personal. Like I think about these things ना. I've seen like my friends, families कि ऐसा सब चल रहा है. Like आता देखने में.
Makes a lot of sense actually, yeah. And sometimes people who have so many plans and they're always prepared for anything. That is also a sign of high functioning anxiety, like, where they don't know that this is a form of a manifestation of anxiety that they're going through, but they feel, oh, I'm such a structured person.
Yeah.
Too much structure is also not good for a human being, personally. Right? So yes, you're so correct when it comes to COVID and these issues increasing after COVID, because people were forced to be in that zone. And उस टाइम पे ना लोगों का पैसा काम नहीं आ रहा था, लोगों की पढ़ाई काम नहीं आ रही थी, लोगों का काम कुछ भी काम नहीं आ रहा था. They were just forced to be with themselves and also around the family. So a lot of family issues also came up, right? A lot of personal issues came up. People started being more aware, especially वो सुशांत का केस भी उसी time around हुआ था, right? The suicide thing. So people started becoming more aware of mental health issues in general, and then they were more curious to understand, okay, if these are certain signs and if I am going through this also, then I need to explore. यार अगर मेरे साथ भी ये सब हो रहा है कि मैं बैठ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, या मैं वो खुशी दिल से फील नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, या मैं सिर्फ काम में लगा हुआ हूँ, उसमें भी खुशी नहीं मिल रही है, तो यार लाइफ में खुशी नहीं है, कहाँ से लाऊं मैं खुशी. So that's when people started understanding कि okay, there is something that we need to figure out. They don't know what, they still don't know what. A lot of people don't know what they need to figure out, but they know that there is something that needs to be worked upon.
But according to you, what is therapy? To resolve a certain issue, or to live with that issue without it bothering you?
I think I have a better question.
Yes, please,
Okay.
go ahead.
Not that it's a competition. Where does therapy end? Because everyone is like हाँ कर लेंगे.
एक goal है, इसको achieve कर लिया तो वो मिल गया.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't know कि like कितनी बार जाना पड़ेगा, like what is the eventual thing, and especially now because everyone is impatient, everyone wants that T20 and not the test one. So कैसे, like how do you cope with that?
So there is no end to therapy. There is say we reach a conclusion. So for example, let's give a basic structure. Okay, client comes and it takes about 2 to 3 sessions for me to understand them, right? The case history. So you talk about say the concern at hand. It's something that they might come up with. Okay, जैसे नींद नहीं आ रही या भूख नहीं लग रही है, या लोनलीनेस फील हो रही है, बिल्कुल अकेला अकेला लग रहा है और ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार लाइफ में कुछ है नहीं. एग्जाम्पल्स, ओके, दे कम अप विद दिस बेसिक कंसर्न. सो यू स्टार्ट विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि कब से ये फील हो रहा है, राइट, कितने टाइम से हो रहा है, हाउ यू बिफोर यू गॉट दिस फीलिंग. क्योंकि इंसान थेरेपी में तभी आता है जब बिल्कुल एक पीक पहुंच गए. दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, बट ठीक है, अभी दिस इज हाउ आई एम डीलिंग, दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ पीपल आई एम डीलिंग विद. ओके, कि बिल्कुल पानी सर के ऊपर से चला गया, उसके बाद आते हैं. So you try and understand their pre-morbid personality, which is how they were before this thing came up. So the onset of it, where did this come from? The family history, right? If they have any physical illness history or any mental illnesses in the family, how are their relationships with the people around? Do they have any kind of emotional support in their life? Understanding how their school life was, how their college life was, how if they're working, how their work structure is, or how their working environment is. Basically understanding the person as a whole, their life as a whole. अगर 25 साल का बंदा है तो उसकी 25 साल की जो जिंदगी रही है वो आप 3-4 सेशंस में आप अंडरस्टैंड करते हो. हाँ, so that I develop an understanding of the way that they think, right? And in psychology, I think the most important, and I think this is something that everyone should know and actually keep them with themselves, is you create your own reality. Okay,
Yeah.
so something that happens around you is not in your control and you cannot change it. The only thing that you can change is your own mindset, right? So if you can work on your mindset, you can change your reality. If you can bring about a change in the way that you think about a problem, it just changes the problem in itself. It just works.
नहीं, but exactly like that was my question कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है वो मुझे बॉदर कर रही है तो मुझे उस प्रॉब्लम को एलिमिनेट नहीं करना है. आई हैव टू स्टार्ट लिविंग विद दैट प्रॉब्लम. हाँ यार, इस चीज से मुझे बॉदर होता है, बट
आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर करूंगी मैं. पहले ये कंप्लीट करते हैं कि so 4 sessions on this. Okay, then you start actually focusing on the deeper issues, like on the deeper levels, not issues, deeper levels, like your emotions, your emotional regulation. How do you speak up? How do you communicate with people around you? Because that also plays a very big role in your mental health or how things can manifest for you. Because it's an everyday thing, right? It's an everyday thing. आज अगर आप किसी चीज को मुझे लेकर आए, हो सकता है कि एक हफ्ते, क्योंकि हम once a week मिलते हैं, okay? So ऐसा भी होता है कि अभी जो इस हफ्ते जो बात करी वो तो irrelevant हो गया next week तक. Something new comes up, right? So you talk about that also, but there is always this one core thing that makes all of these things happen for you in your life. So it takes about 7 to 8 sessions to reach there. कि यार चलो ये नया भी हो रहा है लाइफ में, बट इन सबका कोर एक ही है. से योर अटैचमेंट स्टाइल. If you have a very insecure attachment style, you will have these insecure attachments in your relationships. You will have insecurity at work. You will not be able to feel satisfied with yourself also. You will be insecure with your own self. कि यार मैं इतना कर रहा हूँ तो भी satisfied नहीं हूँ. तो वो आपका अगर एक attachment style से anxious या insecure है तो आपके हर part of life में affect करेगा. And then you eventually start working on something that you feel that okay, this is something that I need to work on. We then set certain goals for therapy, and after those goals are achieved, you sort of reach to a termination point where the person, now answering your question, learns how to deal with them. Because it has been years that this person has been a certain way or how they perceive the world in a certain way. You cannot just eliminate issues or problems for your life because that is something that you cannot control. आज challenges सबकी life में आता है. It can be a small daily hassle से traffic. क्या कर सकते हो traffic का? Right? गुस्सा तो आ सकता है, which is very natural. Anger is a very natural emotion.
Especially traffic में.
Yeah.
Exactly. I've seen people getting angry. I also get angry sometimes, but I manage my anger. Right? So that's what you learn. You learn how to manage your emotions. You learn how to manage these issues or concerns that weigh down on you. So like I said, when I say vaccine, that's what I mean, that you prepare yourself कि यार अब लाइफ में कुछ भी आया ना, I'll deal with it.
Yeah.
I know how to deal with it because I understand. A, I understand कि वो चीज़ मुझे affect कैसे करती है. B, I know ways कि मुझे क्या करना है. It's called coping.
पर प्राची सामने वाला कर रहा है ऐसा कुछ जिससे गुस्सा आना ही चाहिए तो फिर क्या करेंगे यार? मतलब कर रहा है वो.
लाइक ट्रैफिक में जैसे लाइक टू व्हीलर्स आते ही हैं. इवेंचुअली तो कुछ तो बोलेंगे.
अभी ये नहीं हो सकता है कि something is wrong with me. Something is wrong with that guy यार.
Something is wrong with them and nothing is wrong with you. You accept that I'm getting angry in this situation. And then you manage that anger. बेसिकली यू लर्न हाउ टू, जैसे अब सबका ना अलग अलग होगा, गुस्सा एक चीज नहीं है. जैसे अगर मुझे मैं सैड हो जाती हूँ, चलो किसी चीज को
किस बात को? एक टॉकिंग पिलो देना.
Low.
Yeah, Prachi, please go ahead.
Thanks for making me feel better.
It's a safe space.
This can also be a way to cope, right? Some
Yeah.
people just like to be and spend time with their loved ones and they can just feel better about a situation. जैसे बहुत बड़ा लॉस हो गया, ठीक है?
Yeah.
For example, मेरे बिजनेस में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस हो गया. अब I am frustrated, agitated, not able to eat, not able to do anything. If a person who's taken therapy, will understand that it is this loss that I'm having, that I'm agitated with my partner. See, for example, मैं घर आऊँ, ठीक है, मेरा लॉस हो गया, मैं घर आई, अब उसको तो पता नहीं है, ठीक है? आते से वो मुझे बोलता है, या तुम्हें पता है आज बाई नहीं आई. अरे यार क्या है यार, ये बाई के हमारी लड़ाई होगी. अब हम लड़ रहे हैं, एक हफ्ते तक लड़ रहे हैं, एक महीने तक लड़ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
उसका रूट कॉज क्या है? मेरा जो लॉस हुआ उससे मैं परेशान थी, जिससे कि मैंने रिएक्ट कर दिया इस बात पे.
और मैंने बताया भी नहीं कि ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है, और else you would have also understood, right? हाँ.
Someone who's taken therapy would understand that, okay, I'm feeling angry. This is because I had a loss. This is my anger. Okay, let me just sit with my anger. I'm gonna communicate it to my partner that, okay, give me some time. I don't think I'm in the best place possible, best place to talk to you right now. There's something that happened with me. I'm not comfortable sharing. ठीक है, शेयर नहीं करना ना, मत करो. उसको बता दो कि यार मेरे को अभी गुस्सा आ रहा है, मैं irritated हूँ. Give me my space. I will get back to you. I sit with my feelings. I see that how this is making me feel. I know that okay, this is making me angry. I use my coping. My coping can be, I like to go for a run. I go for a run. I manage my emotion. I'm better. ना झगड़ा होगा ना कुछ होगा, अगले दिन दिमाग चलेगा कि अब लॉस तो हो गया, अब क्या करना है.
और इतनी देर में वो झाड़ू भी लगा लेगा, सो बाई की भी टेंशन नहीं ब्रो.
एक चीज से तो हमेशा है.
Have you ever had a patient जिसका इतना brain was like so fucked up or whatever, you were like, I can't take this case.
ये मुझे इश्यूज दे देगा.
हाँ, like मेरी लाइफ खराब हो जाएगी.
See, ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ है कि
or if the person is too close to you or something.
yeah, that has happened.
Yeah.
So therapists cannot actually take counseling or therapy for their close ones,
Yeah.
friends, family. You cannot.
Right.
Because it does not work out. Yeah.
तो कुछ ही problem हुआ तो.
हाँ, they know me na as a person. They know me. They've known me. They've chilled with me. So they can't keep me to a position where if I say something, they will feel कि हाँ यार सही बोल रही है. It is making sense. They won't be able to look at me as a professional. And same for me. I won't be able to keep my personal biases aside. क्योंकि मुझे पता है तू ऐसा ही है. अरे नहीं, if it's a client now, I would not have this bias कि ये तो ऐसा ही है. I would give you all that benefit of the doubt and all give you all those aspects and different tangents. But if it's a friend or a relative, I know कि मेरे personal biases आ जाएंगे.
Yeah.
कि यार ये ऐसे ही करती है, मुझे पता है इस सिचुएशन में ऐसे ही करेगी. अरे वो नहीं कर रहा है वैसा, पर मैं सोचूंगी कि वो ऐसे ही करेगा.
Yeah.
So it does not work out.
But
ये
like
हुआ है.
any external clients that you've said no to.
I have said no to an external client because there was transference. So transference is a process where it was actually counter transference, where say a person starts developing feelings for the therapist. That's the process.
It's like a kidnap wala syndrome also,
Harvey
right?
Specter, Harvey
हाँ,
Specter.
yeah,
Yeah.
like highway में आलिया भट्ट
Yeah,
के साथ,
yeah.
yeah.
Stockholm syndrome.
Yeah.
So something very similar to that in the world of psychology, we call it transference. So that started happening. Like I could see that this person is doing well and everything is going fine, but he's still coming for sessions. And so it's tough, but you need to address it and you need to
कि ये
terminate
कुछ
it.
और ही solve करना चाह रहा है.
Yeah, you need to then terminate it, and then you just be like, I'm so sorry, but I need to transfer this case. So in such cases, you transfer the client. और sometimes ऐसे भी होता है यार कि नहीं बन रहा है, like 7-8 सेशन हो गए ना, मैं समझ पा रही हूँ ना, उसको कुछ भी चेंज फील हो रहा है, या maybe we're not at that level, we still haven't formed that rapport or that trust, that relationship, because it's very important to form that therapeutic relationship also. ऐसा भी हुआ है मेरे साथ कि नहीं फॉर्म हुआ है वो 7-8 सेशन के बाद भी, देन मैंने करा ट्रांसफर किया. You try and talk to this therapist and I think they will be able to understand you better.
What do you feel like is the biggest challenge in your profession? Personally, मतलब सबका अलग अलग हो सकता है, but you feel like yeah, this is my biggest challenge अभी तक.
I think the under-establishment of our profession. There is no respect. Okay, people don't see us as real professionals. It's made up, like बहुत jokes बनते हैं हमारे ऊपर, बहुत jokes. In my family also, they like how body shaming is. They shame our professionals sometimes. ये करते क्या हो तुम यार, क्या है? And I can't blame them. ठीक है, तुम नहीं समझते हो, not my problem. But I think the under-establishment is so real. I see people जो जैसे मेरे अगर events में आ रहे हैं, मैं sharing circles करती थी पहले काफ़ी, तो उसमें एक बंदा आया था and he had no degree in psychology. Okay, he started practicing therapy. Okay, पहली बात तो therapy और counseling में भी difference होता है. Counseling is where you can you help people with adjustment issues like day-to-day life issues, or if there is a loss, or if there is a change in
But
job
for
or change
counseling,
in
you don't
location.
need like proper qualifications.
You do. And therapy is more like it has more deep knowledge of like interventions like CBT, REBT. There are different school of thought, psychodynamic. ये सब different school of thoughts होते हैं जिनकी आपके therapeutic interventions आप सीखते हो. There is a structure that you learn and there are certain techniques specific to those approaches. Counseling में इतना specific कोई therapeutic interventions नहीं सिखाते हैं. It's just very broad perspectives, right? Still you need a degree, okay? You need to have this certain structure where you study psychology in your bachelor's, in your master's, you practice it for some time and then you start treating clients, you start helping people. He started doing that with no degree and he's charging like 2,000, 3,000 for a session. That was during COVID. And he's coming up to me and he's just like talking to me as a professional, establishing himself as a professional. And I was like, you're spreading so much misinformation. You're actually doing more harm than good. और ये एक बंदा है यार, ऐसे ना हजारों पड़े हैं जिनके पास कोई डिग्रीज नहीं है, कोई क्वालिफिकेशंस नहीं है, and there is no regulatory board in India. There is this one regulatory board by the name of RCI, which is the Rehabilitation Council of India, जो भी rehabilitation sector में आपको लाइसेंस प्रोवाइड करता है. ठीक है, अगर आप MPhil भी करते हो, MPhil usually clinical psychologists करते हैं, right? Because they need that intensive work to do before treating a patient. Clinical psychologists are people who deal with mental health disorders. I'm a counseling psychologist. Counseling psychologists don't really need to understand or work with patients for mental health disorders like schizophrenia, bipolar, or borderline personality, or major depressive disorder. You need a clinical psychologist to work hand in hand with a psychiatrist. Now, a psychiatrist is a medical doctor who prescribes medications. They undergo through a process of like an MBBS and then MD, and then they start practicing. So they are well equipped. So are clinical psychologists if they do an MPhil. Okay, they are fully equipped to work with a person who has mental health disorder. India में कोई भी regulation ही नहीं है apart from this to establish if this person is credible or not. If they are liable to work as a therapist or not. This is something that is a very big challenge for us. Because इसमें क्या होता है ना, लोग जाते हैं, they have a bad experience with therapy, they completely dismiss the whole profession and this whole world.
Yeah.
They're like, मैंने लिया, बहुत ही घटिया था. तो अब कोई इंसान अगर इतना ऐसे परसेप्शन से आ रहा है, तो उसका सबसे पहले तो इशू तो आप छोड़ो at hand. You need to work on their belief in therapy. Right? I need to first establish that belief in this process. Then we start working on what is happening with you. The biggest challenge is the belief system that people have around our profession. That's the biggest challenge. They don't consider it real. They feel काम ही नहीं करता, therapy तो useless है.
But at the same time, 10 में से अगर if you have helped like 2 people, then you feel good ना कि हाँ ठीक है, I know कि यार
I तो feel good only.
Yeah.
My challenge is coming from a place of passion where I want to change how people perceive us. I want to change how people perceive this profession. There is no respect. Any website I open, to register myself somewhere, इतने सारे options आते हैं ना fields of profession के, सारे आएंगे, law, biology, technology, you name it, it's there. Mental health
Yeah.
कहीं नहीं है. मुझे choose करना, मैं क्या choose करूँ? मेरा कहीं, I don't fall anywhere.
Others.
See, so why it's so important.
Oh, dude.
That was
Yeah.
the point, but
Yeah.
Sorry, but it was right there.
miscellaneous.
Yeah, miscellaneous. जबकि ये field ऐसी है कि हर field में इसका importance है. आप मार्केटिंग
Yeah.
देख लो, मार्केटिंग में इंपॉर्टेंस है, लॉ देख लो, लॉ में इंपॉर्टेंस है, इवन टेक्नोलॉजी में भी इंपॉर्टेंस है, हर फील्ड में, बिकॉज ह्यूमंस है ना,
Yeah.
हर जगह ह्यूमंस है, तो साइकोलॉजी तो आएगी ना. साइकोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर.
Yeah.
But I think it helps when people on a big level promote it. So
Yeah.
like even sports persons or like
Yeah.
celebrities or something. Like famously, Naomi Osaka had the tennis wala thing. She took a mental health break.
Yeah.
And then you see guys like Nadal or Messi or
Yeah.
whoever who's
Yeah.
like old but still in their
Yeah.
prime.
Even Virat spoke about mental health
Yeah.
issues.
So all of these guys who are mentally so positive about everything, that their game has improved.
Yeah.
So there are examples and I feel like जितने ऐसे लोग करेंगे उतना हेल्प होगा.
Absolutely. अभी आप, if you know about the Karan Johar show, the Coffee with
Yeah,
Karan
yeah.
show, even there were a lot of episodes where Deepika also spoke
Yeah, the
about her
first,
issues.
the Ranbir
Yeah.
Deepika one was very
Yeah.
controversial. About
Yeah.
Mhm.
So see, celebrities, sports persons, people in, you know, who have this kind of a hold over people and their mentalities, if they speak about it, yes, it makes a difference. But I also
sorry to interrupt, but like, do you watch these shows and do you psychoanalyze those celebs?
oh, absolutely,
Like,
I do.
हाँ, कुछ तो दिक्कत है.
I do. I
So
can understand.
what's the inside deets on Ranveer and Deepika? Then? What did you analyze?
I think ये थोड़ा सा again थोड़ा सा personal opinion हो जाएगा.
Yeah,
but
but
yeah, it's
yeah.
coming from a very subjective.
It's your
place.
analysis.
Yeah, my analysis. That I think Ranveer is someone who has to always bring himself down in that relationship. If I talk about that dynamic, I think Deepika is the one who, there's a power play in
Yeah,
relationships.
yeah.
Okay, Deepika is the one who has that hold in that relationship. She drives the relationship in a way.
Mhm.
Ranveer would be more of a person who would be like, okay, yeah, let me just go ahead with it.
You think
So-
Deepika is the settler?
Yeah, can be. And also, like, there is an empath in a relationship. If there are two people, of course, there like can be more than two. Also, looking at the world now. But yeah, if there are two people, one person is always an empath. An empath is someone who would understand, you know, what's going on with you, or they would excuse.
The smart one.
They would excuse your behavior. Yeah, the smart one, I would say. Yeah, who would excuse your behavior and be like, okay, yeah, whatever you feel like doing, let's just go ahead and do that. So I think.
But
that's what
don't
I
you feel
would
like कि like ये तब भी हो सकता है where like सामने वाला doesn't want to like disappoint you because they feel like if I disapprove you will walk away. So in order to keep you, I'll just say yes to everything. Like that could also be a case, right?
say. Yeah,
So like in that scene, it's not a good thing.
it's not at all a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because then you're so insecure about the bond or the relationship that you would do anything, just become a carpet for that person to walk all over you
Yeah.
so that they are in your life.
Prachi, what do you suggest to those people who feel like कि, for example, you and me, right? So I'm okay, but you have a toxic behavior because you have some issues. And when I say yes,
Bro, she's like,
change कर लेते हैं. Let's talk about Chirag.
Okay.
तो चिराग मेरी लाइफ में
yes, I'm very toxic.
चिराग मेरी लाइफ में फॉर एग्जांपल कोई है ऐसा जिसके खुद के इश्यूज हैं बट वो खुद रिजॉल्व नहीं कर रहा है, ही इज पोरिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन मी, देन हाउ डू आई डील विद समबडी else's issues कि यार उसका इशू है वो मेरी लाइफ में आगे chaos मचा देता है, तो मैं क्या करूँ इस चीज में अगर वो रियलाइज
No, it's a you problem, bro.
नहीं बट लाइक हाँ लाइक कई बार ऐसा होता है फैमिलीज में होता है जब आपका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सामने वाला यू नो throwing all the shit at you, what do you do in those cases, how do you like cope up?
Okay, so it depends from the relationship that you share with that person. ठीक है, अगर कोई बहुत close family member हो गया जैसे your parents or your siblings or your partner, then I think you need to work on your own emotions when it comes to that, because it's obviously going to take you down. It's going to weigh down on you for sure.
Yeah.
I cannot control or change them if they don't want to.
Yeah.
अगर मैं दिखा भी दूँ ना उनको मिरर और वो नहीं चाहते खुद पे काम करना, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, right? So acceptance that this is how they are. They're not going to change if they don't want to. You can talk to them in a way, or you can be around with them in a way that protects your own peace. Okay, that's what you can learn. So for example, give me an example of an issue, like you're saying, कि कोई आके थ्रो करके जा रहा है मुझ पे, give me an example.
मतलब मेरी इसका तो कुछ नहीं है बट लाइक आई फील लाइक मेरा एक बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड था, उसका भी मतलब उसका कुछ लाइक फैमिली रिलेटिव था और वो रहता था उन्हीं के साथ. सो ही वाज स्टडीइंग इन कोटा, राइट.
Okay.
और कोटा में रहता था वो अपने मामा या किसी के साथ रहता था, मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है. एंड उनको बहुत ज्यादा एंगर इश्यूज थे और उनको बहुत ज्यादा लाइक अल्कोहल इश्यूज था कि मतलब वो आता था एंड लाइक ये वो वगैरह वगैरह जो भी है. एंड देन दिस गाय लाइक जितना भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन था ऑफिस का वो निकलता था किस पे, मेरे फ्रेंड के ऊपर. तो इज लाइक यार डूड, इनको इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम है, इनके इतने सारे नर्व्स हैं जो कि हिट हो जाते हैं दिन भर में. एंड देन ही कम्स इनटू दिस हाउस. मैं अभी पिछले 8 महीने से सह रहा हूँ, ये फैमिली पिछले 14-15 साल से सह रही है. एंड नाउ आई कैन सी हिज इमेज इनटू हिज 14-year-old यंग किड, जो कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब ही विल रिपीट द सेम थिंग. तो इन सारे मामलों में उस 14 साल के बच्चे को क्या करना चाहिए? बिकॉज उसको तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा ना, उसको तो लग रहा है कि बस मैं यही देख रहा हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? हाउ डू आई मेक हिम रियलाइज दैट ही इज रॉन्ग?
His parents should realize, no, कि
बट नहीं होता ना, कुछ लोगों में कभी नहीं आता वो चीज, वो कभी भी नहीं आता. दे फील लाइक कि दिस इज द राइट थिंग, आई एम डूइंग द राइट थिंग. सो लाइक उसमें क्या कर सकता है कोई?
Sadly, I don't think we can do anything in that.
yeah, until he like grows up to age where he's like old enough to make his own decisions. That's what you can do anything. Bro.
हाँ, but like see now
Like you
I'm
can
not.
advise them, his parents or whatever, but again,
Or
that's not your place.
Say
then.
your friend is living in that house, you know. He can probably say sit with the child and talk to him about how he's feeling, and you know, making him understand that this is not the kind of behavior that you see, that you know, एक idealize करते हैं हम parents को. Like you said, he's probably seeing that behavior in the child. Children learn a lot from observation, and especially with their parents, they start adapting it. So this friend can probably sit with that child and tell him that okay, you know, पापा ऐसा करते हैं, but आपको ये नहीं करना है. ये सही नहीं है.
Yeah.
आज गुस्सा आता है, पर गुस्से को आप इस चीज के बजाय ऐसे करके देखो. गुस्सा आना नॉर्मल है, गुस्सा आना अच्छी बात है, गुस्सा आता है, इट्स अ नेचुरल इमोशन, पर आप इस तरीके से उसको डील करना सीखो.
Yeah.
Plus, I feel like kids nowadays know what's wrong.
They know a lot. That's the
Yeah.
problem.
Like
They
smarter.
थोड़ा ज्यादा ही मालूम है.
Why do you have problem with kids?
In my
This sounds very wrong.
building, in my
हाँ, कि
building
यार
there are
इतना
some
दुखी हो रहा है कि यार
Stop.
बहुत मालूम है यार, बहुत मालूम है.
irritate कर देते हैं यार कई बार तो Gen Zs. But
तेरा अलग से करना पड़ेगा.
मैं do nothing. I will make you like meet this one kid who knows everything.
I'm not interested in kids.
I mean, not in that sense, dude. He's like really like you will appreciate कि he's at
It's a
such a
very
yeah
smart
exactly.
nowadays. Very
But it's a
smart.
very thin line कि
Very interesting thing. My 10-year-old cousin, okay, we were just chilling, okay, one day there was this satsang that happened and we were just chilling after that. घर पे ही सब लोग बैठे, ठीक है. और मुझे बोलती है subtly एकदम we are just talking about random shit. मेरे कान में बोलती है आपको पता है अपनी फैमिली की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? मैंने बोला नहीं क्या है? बोलती ये लोग किसी पे विश्वास ही नहीं करते हैं. मैंने बोला यार
Trust issues analyze कर लिए.
yeah, and she was on point. She was on point. The whole family does not trust anyone.
Yeah, but I think
And I was
nowadays.
like, तुझे कैसे पता यार? तू 10 साल की है, तूने फैमिली जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा बता दिया कि यार ये ऐसे लोग हैं.
maybe वो मैट्रिक्स देख सकती है.
No,
उसको
bro.
कोडिंग दिख रहा है वो लाइन
Nowadays, everyone talks in front of their kids, bro. So the more you hear people talking in your family, like I've especially had so many times where cousins sit ऐसे रात को,
Yeah.
and then they start bitching about people,
Yeah.
and then they start bitching about their own lives,
Yeah.
whatever the circle
Yeah,
पूरा
yeah,
चलेगा.
yeah.
Then you start figuring out कि देखो ये दिक्कतें नानी में भी थी,
सही.
ये मेरी माँ में भी है,
है.
इधर भी है, और ये मेरे को भी लग रही
But
है.
तो मैं-
Like-
dude, us doing that is still my 10-year-old cousin, yaar. I was surprised. I think she was 9 back then. And then she's telling me this, and I was like,
उसको पूछना एक बार कैसी ग्रीन लाइंस दिखती हैं क्या बीच बीच में?
Bro, I think she can take over your all that matters thing when she grows.
bro, she's so curious. She keeps asking me, Didi, what is therapy and what do you do? And she knows everything about skincare and self-care.
Yeah.
And she wanted to join my session tomorrow. I said, no, you can't. But I'll keep like for kids. I'll keep it differently. You can't join this. But kids are very aware. Very aware. I think they're very emotionally intelligent. All kids that I'm seeing, my friends' nieces, and so many kids around us nowadays, they are so smart. Like I have this friend who has a niece, and उसकी मम्मी को जब गुस्सा आता है ना, तो she's going to be like, Mom, deep breaths. She's 3. She's 3. She knows. Hey, Mom,
Deep
just
breaths.
Deep breaths. You'll be fine.
It's come to a point of
Where do you feel like
Where is
this
it coming from?
हाँ.
Like wow.
but seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask you about dreaming because that is a very curious thing. Like I'm very curious.
And
about it.
untapped also, like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think dreaming in a certain way or whatever affects your mental health, or like does it have any correlation with it?
It has a major correlation. So when you understand the mind, mind has a lot of layers. Think of it as an iceberg. There is a tip that you can see, but there is so much more, right? So the conscious mind is the tip of the iceberg, and everything that exists is the subconscious mind. There is so much that we do not know about ourselves, right? And the subconscious is also very active and at play. And there is this thin layer between the conscious and the subconscious, which is the unconscious mind. That is pretty much like more untapped than your subconscious mind. Dreams are considered a symbol of your unconscious, your subconscious, sorry. So for example, if there is an issue or an emotion that I have suppressed for so long, जैसे अगर जो लोग बोलते हैं ना यार मुझे तो गुस्सा आता ही नहीं है, वो गुस्सा तुम दबा के रखे हो अंदर, तुम्हें गुस्सा आता है, तुम उसको प्रोसेस नहीं कर रहे हो, तुमने दबा के रखा है, ठीक है?
तो नींद में लात मारेंगे
वो तो वो उसको सपना आ सकता है इन अ वे कि अब वो अगर फट रहा है अंदर, लाइक देयर इज दिस स्पेस दैट इससे ज्यादा इंसान अंदर स्टोर नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, इमेजिन अ स्प्रिंग. इफ आई कीप प्रेसिंग डाउन दिस स्प्रिंग एंड इफ आई रीच हियर, व्हाट विल हैपन इफ आई टेक माय हैंड अवे?
कुछ लगा
Yeah.
जोर से उचक के जाएगा बाहर, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू कीप सप्रेसिंग थिंग्स इनसाइड ऑफ यू. सो देन the subconscious mind takes over. Then subconscious starts giving you signals, start giving you symbols in the forms of dreams. So sometimes dreams can be very irrelevant and just out of nowhere, but most dreams are meaningful, right? And they are a sign from your subconscious that this is something that you need to say, work on or deal with. It can also be related to something that you've been wanting to say to someone and you're not able to say it. It's been a while that you've been wanting to do that. The dream will bring that person into your dream.
I've had this.
Yeah.
I've had this one.
What?
Who was the special one?
No, अब मैं detail में नहीं जा रहा हूँ because a lot of people watch this, but no.
Okay.
Yeah, I've had this. बस इतना ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
नहीं थोड़ा सा
मैं एक रैंडम नाम ले दूँ क्या, फिर कोई भी अगर देख रहा होगा तो?
Bro, you definitely don't know that.
अच्छा, okay, ठीक है.
हाँ, so like it happened. Like I wanted to say something, and eventually, like even I didn't like give too much of a thought to that thing, and then eventually I got a dream one day, so I was like very curious. Like bro, कुछ तो है ये. And I told my friend, I'm like bro, कुछ तो है. And she's like, no, you're dumb. So I was like, नहीं bro, कुछ तो है. And yeah, so you initially you'll think कि हाँ, it's a sign.
Yeah.
Because that is normal सब लोगों का उम्मीद मिलना. So yeah, but
आगे क्या हुआ, तूने बोला?
नहीं, then I started thinking about it logically.
Yeah.
No. Bro, अब वो तो that is subconscious ना, वो
हाँ.
थोड़ी सोचेगा
नहीं,
logically कि भाई क्या करना चाहिए.
Subconscious there is no logic.
You have to use logic बाद
Yeah.
में.
Yeah. But it's definitely a sign for sure that there is something unresolved. If you keep getting repetitive dreams, sometimes it's not even about the people coming in or how it's
about the
looking.
feelings.
It's about the feeling also, yeah. So most of the time we ask the person ki chalo forget if you don't remember the contents of the dream, tell me how you felt after you woke up. Right? Probably that's the emotion that they've been suppressing. That needs to come out. It's just waiting to come out.
Yeah.
So are there like particular things you see when you feel particular emotions? Like because I've थोड़ा सा research किया था मैंने इस पे.
So Freud has spoken a lot about dreams and there's
But Floyd.
So I
Freud
मतलब
acid
करेगा तो वो थोड़ा fuck up होगा.
cocaine addicted था.
That is different kind of research. पता नहीं किया हमने. But like my thing is कि I've read about things on like websites. Again, I'm not saying it was trusted website. But like you see certain things when you feel certain things. Like if you're feeling happy, you'll see, I don't know, flowers or something or whatever. If you're feeling guilty, you'll see snakes or like something negative.
Yes.
Or that. So does that actually happen?
Yes.
Yeah, ऐसे ही होता है.
Yes.
It's a proven thing, no?
Yeah, it's just a BuzzFeed.
No.
interview thing.
It is proven. Sometimes there are a lot of common dreams that we all have. वो गिरने वाला dream.
हाँ, repetitive रहता है, like हाँ.
भी रहते हैं, हाँ. Or sometimes there's this feeling that you're running and you're not able to run. You're just at this one place and running.
Yeah.
So ऐसे running के भी dreams बहुत आते हैं. So that may be a sign that you're running from your problems or you're running from something in your life.
Or you're running towards something.
running towards something may different.
Why not?
अरे,
Why not?
ये problem. No, but actually, yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, makes sense.
It makes sense.
Yeah. But हाँ, ऐसे कुछ dreams होते हैं जो common है हम सब में, teeth falling. So people say that, or
Yo,
there have been
falling नहीं
researches.
क्या teeth falling का क्या
There
रहता
have been
है?
researches that if you are, not confident about yourself or about how you look, you might get dreams of your teeth falling.
Dude,
Yeah.
my friend like I'm not going to name him, but कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपकी लाइफ का कोई बहुत बड़ा ट्रॉमा भी है जो कि आप बार बार अपने ड्रीम्स में देखते रहते हो.
Yes.
So 12th उसका नहीं निकला फर्स्ट टाइम में एंड नाउ इज लाइक ही इज एट अ वेरी गुड पोजीशन, अच्छी जॉब चल रही है, सब कर रहा है. बट वो आज भी मुझे कई बार बोलता है कि डूड देयर आर डेज वेयर लाइक आई सी दैट टाइम कि मैं सब में फेल हो गया एंड आई हैव टू रिपीट माय 12th.
Yes.
आई वाज लाइक यू ब्रो, लाइक बिकॉज़ एग्जाम मिस कर देने का ड्रीम मुझे भी आता है
but
कि
fail होना is very.
इट्स वेरी लाइक कई बार आपके ड्रीम्स आप काफी ट्रॉमा भी होता है कि आपका ब्रेन आपको बता रहा होता है.
In cases of loss also, say you lost a parent,
Yeah.
lost a parent or you lost a loved one, वो dreams आते हैं फिर उनसे related काफी.
Do you believe in
PTSD में भी जैसे dreams आ जाते हैं.
do you believe in lucid dreaming? Like कि
I do.
हाँ,
I
have you
do.
ever tried it?
I do. I think it has worked out for me. It works for me. Sometimes,
Yeah,
not
but-
always, but
हाँ.
sometimes it works for me. And I can actually like wake up and go back also.
Oh, yeah,
I've done
yeah.
that. I've done that.
मेरी लाइफ में मैं आज तक सिर्फ 2 मिनट ही नहीं कर पाया हूँ.
हाँ मैं भी.
Wake
हाँ.
up and go back to the same.
I
thing.
have done it twice. It has
I've
happened.
tried this but कभी हुआ नहीं है bro.
नहीं, but basically in my life,
Yeah.
मैं for 2 good minutes I knew I was in a dream
Yeah.
or had full control over it, but फिर
Yeah.
मैं I lost it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that moment is so.
It's-
Dude.
what a rush. What a rush.
Oh my god,
What a
dude.
rush.
But उसके बाद बहुत बार प्रैक्टिस किया but वो नहीं हुआ, मतलब
कई बार ऐसे ड्रीम्स आए
I think
तुमको?
उसको कभी-कभी कोई अच्छे स्टेट में हो तो ऐसा हो जाता है.
हाँ
हाँ,
होता
Mentally
है
you're just good.
Yeah.
have you ever tried it?
क्या? Like on purpose no.
हाँ, like when you know that you're in a dream, that you're dreaming and now you have full control over it.
It has happened.
हाँ.
But ऐसे again not on purpose. Like it just I realized कि oh shit.
नहीं, मैं purpose नहीं, but
I
मेरे को तो
can
बस
go there.
हाँ.
Like ऐसा वो हुआ ऐसे. But then हाँ quickly went away.
हाँ, yeah, like it's very tough to like have that
ये सब
grip over
एक
it.
बार
I think I
हुआ
woke
क्या-
up or
क्या?
something. It
यही
was
कि I
very
woke
quick.
up and then
हाँ.
I went back again because I was enjoying that dream
Yeah,
so much.
This
Yeah.
I've tried, but it has never happened because
It's very
you
tough.
enjoy
It's
dreams
tough,
and
it's
like you're like सुबह सुबह वैसे भी उठने की इच्छा नहीं होती.
हाँ. कई बार ऐसे सपने आए क्या तुमको कि random images, like random, like
Yeah.
at one point I'm playing basketball, then at one point
Bas-
I'm
yeah.
in a visa, and then
Yeah,
one
yeah.
point I'm in a pool, like ऐसे.
Yeah. Like it's like वो वही तो complex ही है ना, वो तो dream ही वो complex है, like
Plus, I think using external things
Yeah.
also affects the dreaming wala thing.
like what?
Yeah, of
Like
course.
if you are dreaming after having a very heavy night of drinking,
Yeah.
it will be very different.
Yeah.
And if you're dreaming after smoking up a lot or whatever,
हाँ.
it will be very different.
Yeah.
But वो तुम्हारे हाथ में थोड़ी कब सपना आएगा.
Yeah, but like I'm just saying, कि those are also very interesting.
I तो envy those people यार जो कि बोलते हैं
Yeah,
कि हम
then
तो देखते
I
हैं.
don't think then that's your subconscious playing a role then.
That's just your body like कि your liver is like
Yeah.
वो पानी तो पीता था.
Possibly.
Yeah.
But yeah, so like
Then it's influenced.
No, but I've had fun dreams after
yeah.
drinking.
Yeah, why not? So like what's next? Like एक बहुत ही corporate question है कि where do you see yourself in the next 4 or 5 years?
So yeah, see, I'm working on my own community/organization by the name of All That Matters. Where the idea came from is, again, people don't talk about things that really matter in life, like themselves, their emotions, their life, or the world around them, or whatever's happening with them. I think that's all that matters in life. I don't care about the money you earn or the way
You have a lot of
work.
puns about all that matters, right?
Yeah. I think you can say that. You have. I don't mind. So I want to build this nationwide community where, and in 5 years I see myself doing that, where we also sort of bring together all psychologists who, and honestly since I started, so many people connected to me खुद से आगे बढ़ के, and they're like, yeah, let's fight for this, let's just create this structure for mental health in our country. So I see myself in 5 years having set up some structure for mental health in India, fighting laws, creating these, certain, regulatory bodies, and maybe being a pioneer for establishing quality mental health services, and helping as many people as I can, becoming this person who changes or shifts the mentality that people have around mental health in our country. That's where I see myself, and I
But-
think
But like
it's celebrated.
this is the last question from me, but
Plus one.
yeah, plus one. So basically, I've seen that therapy is not cheap. See, you're a therapist, right?
Yeah.
But उन लोगों को क्या जो कि who cannot like afford 500 or 700 rupees per session.
Yeah.
I feel like कि बहुत से लोगों को थेरेपी पे जाना है, but it's not very feasible.
can't afford.
हाँ, so उनके लिए क्या है फिर?
Yeah, see, when I started out, ना वो तो मैंने अभी इस stage पे आके I'm so established, I've started charging a fee that I feel, you know, that justifies the fee that I'm charging. I started off doing a lot of pro bono cases. I was doing a lot of therapy under supervision. I did so many pro bono clients. So
But like
But
not.
as-
We are not talking about you.
Yeah,
We are
No,
talking
that's
a
what
person
I'm saying.
won't trust a
that's what I'm
newbie,
saying.
right?
So
Like
when,
for these things.
when freshers start up,
Yeah.
they also take up pro bono cases. There are a lot of companies also providing therapy at a very low cost. Like there is this company called Inner R, Amaha करके. They have so many people on their website who charge like 300, 350. And
Yeah,
if
this
you-
was my next question.
Yeah,
Do you
if
feel
you-
like all these websites and applications have helped? Or
Some
is
people-
it too many options?
For some people, अभी तो too many तो नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
ठीक.
I'm sorry, there is a lot of population. We need more psychologists. So too many तो नहीं है. Sometimes you just don't know the right person. See, हर बार में ना एक बार में click नहीं करता है सबके लिए. You have to try.
Yeah.
You have to experiment. Sometimes it might not work out for someone to work with me, but they might talk to a friend who's also a therapist. That person might work for them. So it's about trial and error as well. And obviously someone who's suffering a lot, this is a lot to go and repeat your story again and again because you try out with one person, it does not work out. तो तुम already drain हो गए हो, तुमने अपनी पूरी life की कहानी बता दी, वापस से किसी को शुरुआत करना, it's not that easy. But yeah, someone who's very willing, no.
But it's like dating, find a good connection.
Yeah, they do it. Someone who's actually willing, no, they do it. I have different form of clients also. Some people are very dedicated, okay? They will message me bilkul one day before the session that this is our time. So we usually try and keep it the same day and the same time. They will be so proper. They will come each week, same time, 5 minutes before the session. So dedicated, they will do all the homework. Meanwhile, some clients are like, ठीक है 15 दिन हो गए, एक महीना हो गया, मैं कॉल लगा रही हूँ, no answer, no follow up, no response to the follow ups. After 3 follow ups, I also leave. Then they do not respond back, they do not come back. 3 महीने बाद आ रहे हैं, वापस आ रहे हैं. तो it has to do a lot with the person as well.
Vacation का बहाना लेके गए रेगू में बाहर चला गया.
If they are willing,
Yeah.
they work on themselves and they come out of it in 6 months.
But Prachi, like, see, I feel like कि जहाँ पे therapist, like, by the way, not pointing any fingers, but जहाँ पे therapist बोलते हैं कि सामने वाले का well-being is so important for us. What about those people who are suffering through a lot and they cannot afford 1500 per session or 2500 per session, but I feel like कि अगर वहाँ पे price would be like 500 per session, ये वाला जो issue है जहाँ पे आप 3-3, 4-4 महीने में आते हो, आप और ज़्यादा regular हो जाओगे.
Yeah.
तो like ये problem कैसे solve हो सकता है? Because yeah, nobody wants. Please.
Okay. So my opinion about this
Yeah.
whole thing is, and no offense to professional psychologists or therapists or counselors, I think everyone has their own form of therapy. You can, for guys, it's usually 4-5 लोगों से मिलके हम अपनी बकचोदी करेंगे, हम chillen, and that helps you a lot.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, and then you have other things like your aunties going to kitties,
Yeah.
and for them that's their therapy.
Yeah.
कि यार
Yeah.
हम बोला मैं 11 आएगा तो ही therapy. So like I think it's what you make of it, but you should have that mindset कि हाँ इससे कुछ अच्छा निकले, positive उसमें change हो कुछ.
See, emotional support is very important. अब जो भी आप बोल रहे हो ना is all a part of emotional support.
Okay.
For ladies, when they meet fellow ladies, they also talk about sass and
हाँ,
their
वो
family and
दिक्कत है
everything.
तो वही
है ना?
है,
तो वो क्या है कि emotional support मिलता है वहाँ पे. Even guys, you talk about work, football, girls, I don't know what all. But yeah,
That
there's
pretty
some.
much sums it up, yeah.
Definitely girls and football.
यही 3 चीजें थी.
So there is this form of emotional support. If you have, you're still in a better place. For someone who does not have any form of emotional support and they really need that help, there are a lot of people who do offer therapy in cheaper rates or pro bono. अब I cannot guarantee कि वो
कितना
कितने
effective है।
efficient है या कितना effective रहेगा, but मिल जाता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि available है ही नहीं options. There are options that are available and See, lot of times, you know, even we are questioned. तुम क्यों ले रहे हो फीस? तुम तो इतना अच्छा नोबल काम कर रहे हो, तो हम क्यों पैसा दे इस नोबल काम का?
But वो तो see everybody wants
just
to earn.
bargaining technique.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
उससे ना seriousness नहीं आती है. If money is involved, seriousness आती है. लोग physical illness आएगी ना, अगर वो नहीं भी अफोर्ड कर सकता तो वो डॉक्टर को देगा 1000 रुपए. मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल को क्यों नहीं दे सकता? 10 मिनट के तुम 1000 रुपए देने के लिए तैयार हो.
प्राची इंश्योरेंस नहीं होता ना मेंटल हेल्थ वाले.
Yeah, exactly.
फिजिकल वाले का बीमा है.
I think
नहीं, but like it makes sense, but I just felt like कि यार अगर इस चीज का ये थोड़ा लो डाउन होगा तो लोग बहुत ज्यादा कंसिस्टेंट हो जाएंगे.
है जैसे कपड़ों में अब तुम्हें अगर बैग लेना है तो तुम LV का भी ले सकते हो और इसका भी ले सकते हो, कोई लोकल ब्रांड का भी.
हाँ, but like बैग मिल जाएगा.
बैग मिल जाएगा.
हाँ, okay, fair enough.
तुम्हें जो चाहिए
मिल जाएगा. हाँ.
अब उसकी क्वालिटी की गारंटी नहीं ले
हाँ,
सकते,
but of
मिलता
course.
सब है.
हाँ.
अवेलेबल सब.
हम्म.
आज ढूंढने जाओगे, there are a lot of companies that offer you free counseling also over phone calls.
Yeah.
There's text message ones also.
हाँ.
Text message तो मुझे बहुत stupid लगता है.
Yeah, but
honestly.
it's still an option. Like if someone is comfortable
Yeah.
with this, but yeah, like कितना ही लिखोगे यार?
नहीं
हाँ.
यार, टेक्स्ट तो
Actually,
बहुत
you're
यूजलेस
bored.
है. बट हाँ, बहुत कंपनीज हैं जो आपको या तो फ्री कंसल्टेशंस देती हैं, राइट? उसके बाद बहुत सारे पैकेजेस होते हैं कि अगर आपने 3 सेशंस लिए तो आपको 1000 में 3 सेशंस. इफ यू टेक अ पैकेज ऑफ 6 सेशंस देन 2500 for 6
I
सेशंस.
have a
Where there is a will, there is a way.
Yeah. Okay.
I have a question about this free counseling thing.
Yeah.
Catch क्या है?
No, like I get the catch, which is just to
हाँ.
get them here, but
हाँ.
it works if you leave it unresolved, right? Like,
Yeah, of course. Like
if
हाँ.
you leave it on a cliffhanger, that guy will come back.
Yeah.
So do counselors or therapists do that
I
on
think people
purpose?
do that. I think people do that. I don't
Because that
personally-
shouldn't be the on purpose वाला instinct,
Yeah,
right? It
I
should
don't-
be कि
I don't
जितना
do
हो
it.
सकता है हो जाए.
I don't do it. I just want, जैसे कि कई बार ऐसे भी होता है कि अब हो गया, वो मुझे पता है कि वो आ रहे हैं, कि डिपेंडेंसी फॉर्म हो जाती है फिर. ठीक है, आई नो दैट दिस इज रिजॉल्व्ड एंड हम बातें कर रहे हैं आके. कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, हम बातें कर रहे हैं 1 घंटा.
हाँ.
मैं तो चल पैसा कमा रही हूँ ना, मेरा क्या जा रहा है, मुझे
Yeah.
मिल रहा है पैसा. बट देन आई एम लाइक नो यार, जस्ट डोंट फॉर्म अ डिपेंडेंसी ऑन दिस एंड डोंट कम. बट बहुत लोग करते हैं, जैसे वो मैंने एक बंदा बताया था जो
Yeah.
कोविड में जिसने स्टार्ट करा, वो तो यही कर रहा था.
हाँ.
आते जाओ, कुछ बताएगा ही नहीं, रिजॉल्व ही नहीं हो रही इशू, तो इंसान तो आता रहेगा अपने आप.
हाँ.
तो ये होता है बहुत बार कि आ रहे हैं लोग, कुछ रिजॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है तो एक छोड़ दिया एक एज पे, फिर उसको वापस आना है. दिस इज कॉमन.
Fair enough.
देख हर फील्ड में ना,
Is the business side. of it.
Yeah.
या हर फील्ड में है.
Higher turnover.
है ऐसे लोग, हाँ.
हमारे इसमें नहीं यार. पता चला?
Bro, हमारा बहुत turnover हो गया है, बहुत लोग आ गए हमारे पास.
But anyway, so
Okay, so yeah, let's end this podcast on this
Yeah.
note.
Yeah.
And guys, if you are dealing with any issues, anything, we know a great psychologist, Prachi Bhatia. You can follow her on Instagram, not him. You
I'm
can
not on
follow her
Instagram.
on Instagram on All That Matters,
Yes.
and you can go to her sessions and everything also.
I also take in-person therapy
yeah.
in Indore.
Yeah, and it's not a 500, guys. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Keep it up. We'll see you next week.